Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to talk about two handbags. I want to go over the All In handbags and also the Slouchy handbags. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so first, before we get started, all of you guys that were encouraging me with this lock process, why you guys didn't tell me I would look like Dora the Explorer? Like backpack, like, oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I'm just going to embrace it. Anyways, so guys, we have to talk. This is going to be a quick video. I have a class to teach tonight, but I need for you guys to get off the multicolor collection, the cherry blossom collection, and also the cherry collection if you are not going to order. If you are still waiting on the multicolor collection, I understand. If you have the hookup, if you know you're going to get a bag, you're just going to wait patiently. But guys, we have to move on, because we are going to miss out on some dope handbags, okay, that's coming out. First and foremost, I want to go over the all-in handbags. They do come in different sizes, but guys, we have to pay attention to this handbag. This is something that I kind of just threw over my shoulder because it was monogram first and foremost. I have so many monogram handbags in my collection, and then they came out with and then it was an all-in BB. It was a smaller size. You guys know I'm now into bigger size handbags, but all in all, it still reminds me of a hobo handbag, and you guys know I am a sucker for totes. I love totes and I love hobo handbags, but just bigger than the BB size. Okay, so we're going to speak on that, and then we are going to speak on the slouchy handbag as well. Okay, pay attention. Okay, so bestie, let's speak on the all-in, and then we're going to move on to the slouchy. And I had to go and get my beautiful Graceful PM. This is my favorite print, guys, as far as the Graceful goes. I had the monogram, I had the Damier Azur, but of course I held on to my beautiful Damier EB handbag. Again, we're going to talk about that. So the all-in BB, guys, this is a handbag I told you guys before that I was kind of off and on with. The only thing that I dislike about the all-in handbags, even the BB and also the GM size, I don't like that it has so much going on the side. Do you guys see? I have no issue with the padlock being there. My issue is the adjustment strap, the buckle. I don't like that on the side. I just think there's just too much going on one side. I feel as if they should have made the adjustment another way. Like, I don't know what they could have done, but I don't like it being on that one side. I just think it's too bulky. And like I said, it's not a lot that I have complaints about. It's just that. But let me tell you guys, I told you, I am a sucker for a hobo handbag. So for you guys that are reaching out and are saying, how do I feel about it? That's the only issue I have. And that is, honestly, looking at it, is something that we cannot change. The strap, yes, it is detachable, meaning you can take it off, and it is also adjustable, but there is no way for us to replace the strap. I see no way for us to replace the strap, guys, at all. So if you have an all-in BB or all-in GM, let me know how you feel about it, guys. And when I tell you, they are rolling out now. They started with the monogram, and I absolutely love that they chose treated vachetta. That is such a bonus, and you guys do not know how important that is, especially here in Houston, Texas. It can be sunny. I mean, you drive to the store and it's sunny. You get out of your car and it'll just rain. That's what I'm talking about. And I really hate using Apple Guard. But at this moment, guys, with this Vachetta, and these handbags that they're rolling out, these light colored handbags and all this Vachetta, Apple Guard is a must. It's a must. I have went through too many finger oil like marks on my bag, water spots. So guys, just avoid it. Don't be like me and just wait till the last minute. Use Apple Guard on your Vachetta. But with this, we don't need it, okay? We don't need it. But I also want to speak on, we are getting more colors. They have rolled out the leather. I thought they was going to wait on this, but they have rolled out the leather. There's a beautiful bicolor in pink. I'm not a pink girly like that, even though I have pink all in the bag. As far as handbags goes, I love to decorate with pink, but as far as wearing pink all the time, I'm just not that type of girl, okay, to go out and purchase. But they do have an all-in the BB size, guys, bicolor pink that I think is absolutely gorgeous. And I also love this color here. I actually had the On The Go Tote PM in this color, in this bicolor here, and I just never used it. I just never used it, so I sold it. But do you guys see that little flap adjustment at the top, that leather piece? That would drive me absolutely insane. OMG, that would drive me insane. I don't know what else to say. That would drive me insane. But this black, you guys know I'm a sucker for black, and it's not the giant LV print like it is on the bicolor handbags, guys. Look at this GM size. It is the small monogram, the original monogram that I absolutely love. This is the GM size. This is such a sexy handbag to me. When it comes to the GM size and this black, and all of them come with pochettes, guys. So we don't have to worry about our mini pochettes if we don't want to. We actually have a matching pochette with each bag, okay? So you let me know. I want to come on here because some of you guys asked me before, hey, Marquita, before I purchase, how do you feel about it? I absolutely love it. When I saw it, I was like, this is such a cool creation. I love it. I love it. I love it. The only thing that I hate, and I have to be honest, and that is the bulking on the side with the adjustment. So I don't know. But guys, I also see, I don't know, maybe the inside. Do you see where it has the D-ring and the hook? If we take the strap off, the hobo strap, do you think we can adjust a strap there and put a strap there, or like a monogram strap for the monogram piece? I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm trying to show you. Like, I'm going to try to put a strap on this bag. So do you see the D-ring, and do you see the hook? The hook is where you actually hook the pochette inside. What if we add a strap? Do you think a strap will go on that D-ring and on that hook, and then where we can just carry it as a crossbody or over the shoulder? How would that work? If you have an all-in BB, talk to me below. Take the hobo strap off because it is detachable. The inside has a D-ring and that hook. Add a strap. Let me know if it works. Talk to me, okay? Talk to the besties. Let us know. But then again, like I said, the black is so sexy. If you have it, or if you are looking to purchase, I will say go for it. I wouldn't even care about the hobo strap. It is absolutely beautiful. And yes, this is here to stay, and we are getting more colors in leather. So look forward to spring and summer. We are getting more colors, okay, in this. So just be patient. I am hoping, honestly, for a damier bean print. It has not crossed my desk yet at all. But I am looking to upgrade my graceful handbag. I really am, okay? So let's move forward. I also want to speak on this handbag that I saw. It's called I think it's a Vagabond, the Vagabond Hobo. Again, you guys know how I feel about hobo bags. The only thing I am going to say that I really don't like, and this launch is February the 6th, okay? And the price, let me get the price. I think it's $3,100, okay? But I will have it up here. I don't like the detachable strap, the longer strap. I don't like that strap, okay? At all. No, I don't like that strap. But I love any type of hobo handbag. This is killing me, and we are going to see a lot more hobo bags rolling out in different prints, okay? I am super, super excited. And I think I already told you guys about one print that's coming out in the Slouchy, which is the Damier Azur, okay? So we do have the strap that I'm not just a real big fan of. I don't know why, but it is treated vachetta. I love the bag tag on here, guys. This is absolutely amazing. The product code number M14018. I think it's the Vagabond handbag. This is perfect. I love everything about it. The only thing I don't like, it is a thicker strap. I don't know. I have an issue with buckles. The adjustment, I don't know. I just feel like that buckle is just too big. It's something about it. I don't know. But I do love the line of treated vachetta on the side, the detail. That's what I love, that detail on the side. And I also love that it comes with a small little bag charm as well. Like the zipper is like a bag charm. So those details I absolutely love. The inside lining is smooth microfiber material. I am okay. I love the color. And the inside has a zipper compartment. And it is trimmed also in the treated vachetta, guys. And I'm guessing it's just an open compartment, just like a Graceful, guys. This is so nice, and I'm smiling because this is stuff that I actually like. This is stuff that I can use every day. Like, that's what we want. Give us items we can use every day, carefree items. We have our monogram, we have our canvas, and we have our treated vachetta. We don't have to worry about, you know, we still have to worry about it, guys. Just because it's treated vachetta, just be careful. But we don't have to baby it as much, okay? We love it. We can get our money's worth out of this handbag. So you let me know how you feel. Of course, gold hardware. The only issue I have is probably the buckle and the adjustment because it is a thicker strap. But all in all, this is so nice to me. I absolutely love it. You guys let me know how you feel about it. And the launch date is February the 6th. So it's this week, okay? Now, let's move on. When I was speaking about upgrading my Graceful, okay, we already know that we are getting a Slouchy in the Damier Azur. So if you are a Damier Azur fan, guys, look forward to it. But it also crossed my desk. You guys know I always keep my ears to the street and things just come to me. We are supposed to be getting a Slouchy in the Damier Ebene print. Now, guys, let me tell you, this is my second favorite print. It's reverse monogram, and then it's Damier Ebene print. I absolutely love, and if anyone have been following me, you guys know how I feel about the Graceful PM handbag. With this print, like I said, I had the other prints. The only thing that I do hate is the wrinkling. And I try not to even use this handbag that much, but the wrinkling on the hobo strap, I absolutely hate this. I hate looking at it, okay? I really do. So I go and I got my Speedy 25 bandolier, the Damier Ebene print, and I take that brown strap and I hook it on to the big round hoops here, and I wear it as a crossbody to give my strap a break. But I absolutely love everything about the PM. I tried the MM on, and the MM is just too big for me, okay? So guys, here is a Slouchy handbag, and I wasn't a fan of the Slouchy handbag at first because I just felt like, hey, I have my Graceful, I'm cool, I don't need another hobo bag, and my mind probably was just honestly somewhere else. But it's really nothing wrong with the Slouchy handbag. I think it's a very sexy everyday handbag. I really do love it. I decided to go and just, you know, play around with it and just imagine it being a Damier Ebene handbag. And guys, it is going to be absolutely beautiful. My only thing that I'm torn with is the PM size. Should I go with the PM size? Or should I go with the MM size? Because this is a PM. And when I mean upgrade, I'm not letting my Graceful go. I love this handbag. When I mean upgrade, I'm just going to get a better hobo bag. And it might not even be better, but I love it because it has a zipper. Okay, so it comes with a zipper, actually 2 zippers. You guys know I love detail. I love when you can zip and it meets right there in the middle, just like my Marquita reverse hobo bag. You guys know that's why I love it as well. But the inside, guys, I'm assuming it's going to be just like, let me take this out. Yes, I have it stuffed with my pillow. Okay, so I'm assuming, because I'm looking on here, the monogram still has the beautiful textile red cherry material. Just like the Graceful, guys, it still has the gold zipper, side zipper. Everything is just the same. It's just with the Slouchy handbag, the monogram, of course, it comes with vachetta, not treated vachetta, just like the Graceful PM. And I also love the side. You see how this side is? It's not bulky at all. It has the large padlock, and it has just the small adjustment strap. This is how it's supposed to look on the side. The All In, I think they just did a little too much trying to make it different from the Slouchy handbag, but they should have just chilled. It's okay, just left it alone. It's just too much going on. But I do love this. So guys, the Slouchy handbag in this print is most definitely a go, because I do feel like we're kind of restricted just a little bit. And like the Slouchy is just like what is named, a slouchy handbag. I love me a good slouchy hobo handbag. I even love when my Speedies just slouch, you know, sometimes. But I do keep a baseboard. But I do love when they give me just a slouchy feel. But I am like a hobo queen when it comes to handbags. So guys, I wanted to spill those beans, and I think just be ready. Just be ready, okay? Just be ready. So again, the Slouchy handbag, I'm just torn on which size. So if you have a PM size, kindly let me know. Do you wish you would have, you know, got an MM, or are you okay with the PM? If you have an MM, is it too big? Because looking at the models, I don't know. I really cannot tell. The MM looks big, but I really don't know. I don't want to judge it off that, because it's a far away picture. Okay, so guys, just pay attention and just wait on it. Of course, I'm going to come back to this video and let you guys know, but I wanted to say I am going to be upgrading my Graceful handbag. We are supposed to be getting a Slouchy. The All In handbags, we are supposed to be getting more colors, more leather colors, and also more prints in the All In as well. So just pay attention. And if you guys, let me tell you something, we are not honestly supposed to be chasing these handbags. You know that, right? And I'm just being honest with you. I know we wanted the multicolor, you know, we have the cherry blossom, we have the cherry, guys, but we really are not supposed to be chasing these handbags. It honestly is supposed to just come to us. We should be able to purchase at free will. Hey, we want to purchase, so we go and purchase. Oh no, we want to wait, we don't. And there's no pressure, okay? So guys, just relax and let all this stuff, like I've been telling you guys, die down. We have some nice hot items that are coming out. Just chill out. Keep your coins and eat. Guys, you don't have to purchase right now. It's not a buying first rank tiered with all of us. We are family. We are besties. Hey, if someone gets the handbag, show them love. Hey, you got the handbag. I'm waiting my turn. I'm getting my coins up. I'm saving. I'm going to get it when I'm ready. So it's no rush in all of this. Just chill out. If you're still waiting on the multicolor handbag, okay, my CA didn't come through. I told you to still use them. Still use them, though. If they give you some information, still take the information. You can still be mad at them, but just go ahead and forgive them. I guess we have to. Just forgive them. But we have some nice stuff coming out. So just chill out, relax, guys, and it's all love. But be ready, because the Slouchy handbag, I think the only thing that turned me is it being monogram and vachetta. I have so many monogram handbags, and I'm just ready for something different. I haven't purchased a damier bean handbag in a long time, okay? So damier azur, damier bean handbags are coming. You guys be ready. So as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye bye.